Victoria here. So for the project today, we have decided to go shopping for some plants at the nursery. So basically, a couple of weeks ago here in Utah, we had this huge windstorm and it knocked over a tree, a very, very old pine tree, kind of onto the house. And now we have a big open spot where we can see our neighbor's house.
Right there.
So we're gonna go and buy a plant that's gonna grow right there. And now that we've thought about this, we've thought of a couple other places that we want to buy some plants. So we're gonna go to the nursery, call it Operation Seclusion, and I think I'll go let my chickens out so they can roam when we leave. Okay, so we talked a little bit about it in the car. We decided to do some grass plants. Grass plants grow very big, very quickly, and take a little bit of water. So we're gonna get these really huge ones and just put it right there. So we went to the nursery, we got some porcupine grass. It gets about 4 feet to 9 feet, and it just grows really fast. So that's what we picked out. We're gonna plant it over there, right at the base of that tree. That's the tree that fell over. Then it'll just create some seclusion. Okay, so I have to move the grass plant because where I put it, there's a gigantic root. So I'm just moving it up a little bit, but it'll still do a good job. All done with my project. This is really wonderful because I think we're gonna go watch a Halloween movie now. But thanks for being with me. It's been really fun. And if you're enjoying what you see, remember, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.